Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Apple ID and enabling Sync Library so your music follows you across devices. Once done, subscribe or activate the free trial to unlock full features. Make sure cellular playback and download settings match your data plan. Next, choose audio quality. Use 256 kbps for typical listening or lossless if you have compatible gear. Also set where downloads go and allow downloads on cellular, only if you consciously accept the data cost. Now focus on organizing and expanding your library. Import local tracks from Finder or iTunes and let Apple Music match or upload them so everything appears in one place. Create playlists manually and smart playlists using rules like genre, date added, or play count to automate curation. Use Listen Now and browse for daily recommendations, then follow artists and add albums to your library. Once you've grouped music, sync specific playlists to devices for offline listening, and keep things tidy by removing duplicate. Finally, optimize playback and sharing. Use AirPlay for speakers and multiple devices, enable crossfade for seamless transitions, and pick an EQ preset for your headphones. Share playlists via links and follow friends or curators to get new mixes automatically. If something breaks, sync or missing songs, toggle Sync Library off and on, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and check iCloud status for uploads. If downloads stall, delete and re-download the track. That fixes most corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.